Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm currently tracking the 1 hour time frame here on the Link chart, and we can see that the market got rejected in our resistance area, which I communicated earlier today and yesterday already to you guys. And so if you follow the updates also on Discord, then you know that we might actually have started that C wave decline. Yeah. Quick reminder, I treat the move to the upside so far as a corrective bounce. I said to you as well that most likely this pullback was not enough to correct the entire move to the upside, meaning at least a wider ABC structure seems likely. That still seems likely in price action, and the rejection in resistance, the second or third rejection even from resistance now. I mean, here we got rejected a few times, yeah. That kind of confirms that all further for me. So there isn't really anything at the moment that I need to do to this chart to, let's say, change structures. I've just shifted labels a little bit, but the wave structure itself is unchanged. The parameters remain unchanged. I've just slightly shifted micro resistance from yesterday's update, but it doesn't impact anything. And I've adjusted the 100% extension here, also just by a few cents, to make it more precise, because the B wave formed a slightly higher high here in our resistance area. So why is that level important? It's at $12.73. It is important because, again, there are two pathways I'm tracking here, and both of these suggest the market is working on a wave 4. Again, in the blue count, that might even have completed already, and we would be working here on a fifth wave down already. But that would require also a break below $12.23. Until we break below that level, technically a wider wave 4 is possible. So what does that mean? It means that if we move down now and we form a larger 3-wave pattern, if we move down now and form a larger 3-wave pattern, then this could still be a B wave, which would just allow for another bounce. Now again, that might simply shift wave 4. It will simply extend the wave 4. That is not a different structure. It's just an extended wave 4. It would still mean that another low remains likely in wave 5. It's just a question of how much is the market motivated to extend this one out. Okay, how much more sideways extensions do we have to expect and live through? Because it all takes time, right? There's no real progress in a chart in a way, in a corrective sideways structure. So I think for now we're working here through the complexities of a B wave, maybe even through the complexities of a B wave in a wave 4. And it's even possible this B wave extends. So, it's just range bound. But I'd say as long as the market stays below the intraday high, the pressure remains downward. And I would watch this area between 1276 and 1276, yeah, and 1223 for a reaction. If we now break above that level, that would not immediately confirm that the C wave up has started, because we really only tested the 61.8 retracement. This B wave could extend a bit more. Yeah, so very, very choppy price action, no real trend here. And it's a particular difficult range at the moment. Everything's moving in very choppy ways. And for most charts that I'm tracking, we haven't broken any meaningful support today. We also haven't broken any meaningful resistance today. So patience is needed here. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well. I leave a link in the comment section here on X. You get additional updates for charts that are not covered on YouTube. You can ask questions. There are exclusive video updates. So feel free to check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.